Today I'm going to be doing a really quick review on the PHIXBEAR. These are like super strong magnets that you can actually put on your cabinet closures. We have little kids and they're constantly getting in the cabinets, and I was hoping that instead of dealing with the little plastic things that are so annoying, that maybe these magnets would really help for that. So let's go ahead and give them a try. In the box you're going to get 8 of these little sticky pads in the rectangular shape, and you're also going to get 8 of the sticky pads in these little circular shapes, and then you also get your magnets. These are unbelievably strong. Like, I can barely pull them apart. They attract each other like crazy. The box was sticking to metal things. So these are incredibly strong magnets. What I'm going to do is take 2 of these rectangular magnets. I'm going to stick the pads on them. So let's go ahead. It's really hard to pull these apart. So you can see I have 2 magnets there. I've stuck the sticky stuff on the one side. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of this little magnet sandwich that I've made. So now you can see I've got this little magnet sandwich. These are the little stickers that it comes with. These are really strong stickers with the 3M adhesive on them. Now I'm going to peel off that red adhesive backing. So I've gotten that backing off, and the first thing I'm going to do is kind of stick it here. I went ahead and I stuck the magnets on. You can see that this magnet is actually stuck to the cabinetry. This one will go on top. Again, very strong magnets. They want to stick to each other. So now I'm going to peel this backing off. My plan is to just kind of shut this drawer and let it stick where it naturally wants to stick. So I've gone ahead and kind of pushed that on there. Now that magnet is in there, it's working great. It's really holding on to the drawer so the drawers aren't shifting. We do have a camper, so I've installed these in our camper to kind of help with the doors. But yeah, that magnet works great. You do need to keep in mind, and using these magnets, that it's going to have it kind of stick out just a little bit, the drawer. It is not a lot. So you can see, like, this is the other drawer. This is the one with the magnet on it. But I can definitely feel that it's like holding the drawer. They're very, very strong magnets, so it works great. Overall, these are just a really strong magnet if you have a tricky cabinet that you want to keep closed. This is something the manufacturer sent me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion, so hopefully that helps you decide if they're the right product for you or not.